This is Mike with Riding in the Ozarks, and we're testing out the DR650 some more. Actually, what we're testing today is my audio setup. I wasn't very happy with the last couple of recordings. Got a lot more wind noise in this bike than I'm used to. No windscreen on it, and I was using a half helmet or an open face helmet on my previous recordings, and didn't come out very good as far as the audio quality. Not used to not to the quality I am used to. I'm used to putting out good audio. I know it's important, and I didn't have that. So try her out. 30, 40. Now, I'm using a full face helmet today, which still has some wind sucking in the front of it here. It's a full face dirt bike helmet, but I have the mic that I normally use with a dead cat on it, and I have the vent in the front of the helmet all covered up. Put a couple sheets of plastic in there, and then a bunch of foam material behind it to hold the plastic in place, so there won't be any air coming through the front of the helmet. I'm talking in a pretty normal tone of voice right now. I'm using a Tascam DR-05 to record with in my pocket. Mic running down from the helmet. I have a camera on top of the helmet. No audio will be synced up from that. And then I have a camera down here on the handlebars that might need a little bit of adjustment. We'll have to check all that stuff to see how the recording is. A little over 40. There's 50, 55, pushing 60. There's a pretty consistent 50, and the wind noise in my ears picks up a lot right here. I don't know how everything else picks up. Every time I ride this, I get a little bit more comfortable with it, which is a good thing. But I also need to respect it. I have not rode dirt in a long time. I'm not going to go hopping off the highway and through the ditch and do crazy ass shit like I used to do when I was 15 on a motocross bike. As much fun as it'd be, I'm afraid I would up and go down. We've already seen how that turns out. Although I did get a 5-star rating on my barrel roll. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, check out the video linked above for my first ride on the dirt. Because yeah, I did drop it in the mud and go down. Alright, here we go. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 65. And 70. 75. That's fast enough on this old rough ass road. We're not doing a top end video, we're testing out the audio. Different helmet. Rolls along at 65, 70 mile an hour downhill with just barely any gas though. That's pretty nice. Man, I used to ride this road on my YZ100 when I was a kid. 60 mile an hour, topped out. Hard as that little 100, it'd run. Wah! Little chainsaw buzzing up and down the road, pissing the neighbors off. That's how you make a kid fall in love with motorcycling though. Get them on a dirt bike that they can go crazy on, that they can do jumps and wheelies and go anywhere on. Man, that'll bring out the love. What am I doing? I'm riding around in the grass just because I can, because I can't do this on my Harley, that's for sure. I can't get squirrely. I can't cut up. I can roll through the gears though. That I can do on pavement. Wah, wah. 70. Oh man. The more and more I ride this thing, the more excited I get about it. Don't get me wrong, I love my Harley. Well, street glide's not going nowhere. But I'm thinking this is going to be a fun second bike to have. Can do a lot of things I can't do on the Harley, go a lot of places I can't go. I got a video planned. We have 60 acres. We have 60 acres out in the middle of kind of nowhere. It's a mile off the road to get in. 4-wheel drive truck, 4-wheeler, SUV, you know, side by side, that kind of stuff to get in. Definitely not a car or 2-wheel drive truck. And I want to ride this out there and ride it around in there and not have to haul a 4-wheeler or, you know, take my truck all the time just to go out there and play a little. I can go out there and play on a dirt bike. So hopefully I've got the camera angle all fixed up and you're looking at the horizon and not down there right in front of the bike anymore. And hopefully the audio is good and clean. I'm running 40 right now. I'm not going to run much faster than that on this road. But I think we're good. I've done some testing on that. And, you know, all I can say is, hey guys, leave me a like and a comment on this video if you dig it. Check out the rest of the stuff on my channel and subscribe if you like that stuff too. And hit that bell to be notified the next time I drop a new video.